It's one thing to become an affiliate marketer, and it's an entirely different thing in knowing how to actually get customers to click on your link to purchase an item. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best ways you can actually get customers or get buyers using your affiliate links. So make sure to watch to the very end. Before we proceed properly into today's tutorial, if you're new to my YouTube channel or you're just hearing about Selar affiliate marketing for the very first time, make sure to check out this video so you can have a better insight about what Selar affiliate marketing is all about. And yeah, let's proceed into what we have for today's video. So like I said, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can actually share your affiliate links to potential buyers of a particular product. So basically, I divided this video into three major parts. Number one is going to be through social media. Okay, so social media is actually one of the best and free ways of actually getting, potential customers. Now, when I'm talking about social media, I do not just mean Instagram and other social medias. I mean basically two major social media platforms, which is going to be TikTok and then YouTube Shorts. These are two major social media platforms you can actually use in sharing your affiliate links and then getting thousands of viewers in very few hours. So basically, the reason why I'm not mentioning Instagram and other, social media platforms is due to my experience over the years. So basically, I have used these two major social media platforms, that is YouTube Shorts and also TikTok. And then, if you're even new to the platform and then you post a particular video, you can actually get thousands of views in very few hours. So basically, all you want to do is to go and create a new account. This account is going to be for your affiliate marketing. And number one thing you need to take note of is you want to select a product. You want to select a field of products you want to be, advertising with your affiliate link. If it's going to be about cooking, you basically want to concentrate on cooking. You want to concentrate on sharing cooking products alone. You do not just want to mix them up. Okay, it's very important to be specific. Okay, and then if you want to talk about video services and video editing services and the rest, you basically want to concentrate on that. So basically, you'll be advertising affiliate links that deals with cameras and the rest. Okay, so basically all you want to do right now, I'm going to show you guys real time of how you can actually post the video and then share your affiliate link. And then immediately you upload it. How very nice is that? And then you want to click on this and then come into the comment section over here, and then you can just write the description. Love what you see, and then you can pin it. Very important. So basically, this is how it works. And the second best way on the list is going to be through community forums. When I mean community forums, you basically want to go to sites like Facebook, for example. You want to go to the groups that actually deals with certain products you want to promote. For example, I want to promote a good based on cooking or a good based on fashion designing. I basically want to go to Facebook and then search for fashion designing groups. And then you want to try as much as possible to be active. And then you want to talk about these designs, talk about that design. Look for people that are actually interested in nice native designs or clothing, and then you just want to tell them that, okay, I do have this product that you can actually read about, or this product that will show you how you can actually improve your outfit and the rest. And from there, you can actually grab their attention and then convince them to actually buy this product through your affiliate link. And then the final on the list for today's video is gonna be through paid advertisement. Like I said, the first two are actually free, but this third one is actually very, very effective, but deals with you paying a certain amount of money to actually get these clicks. So basically, you want to go to social media platforms again, probably Instagram this time, and then you want to search for social media advertisers, and then you just want to tell them to help you promote this particular video using your affiliate link. You're basically going to get to wider audience, and then immediately people start to click on it and then purchase it to basically get these affiliate commission. So yeah guys, These are the 3 best ways that I've actually used over the years through my Selar affiliate marketing, platform, and I've actually gotten sales a lot from these methods. But basically, the number 1 way I've actually gotten a lot of sales is going to be through my social media platforms. And one other thing I didn't mention is going to be through WhatsApp. This was how I started. I created a WhatsApp group, added my friends, added family members, and then I basically shared this product that I do know that my family members or my friends are actually interested in on the group. And then immediately they purchase this product through my affiliate link, I get the commission. So that was how I actually started before I started, moving and proceeding to other, methods that I actually explained in this video. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a lot from this video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and yeah, don't forget to drop a comment down below on this video if you actually learned a lot as well, or you like to learn more about certain things. And yeah, that brings us to the end of today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.